Very, I guess the colors were dull, very dull. There were a few nicks in it, and yeah, overall just a very dull painting and not very vibrant or bright.
Okay, scratches?
Yes, there were scratches, quite a few scratches on it. Probably, yeah, quite a couple of scratches on it all around. And
okay. Okay, let's see what's actually with the painting, okay?
Okay. Wow. That looks really good. Wow. Very impressive. So much brighter. Yeah, that looks really good. Yeah, all the scratches have been very good shape now. Yes.
So you're pleased with the work?
Yes, very pleased.
Okay.
It looks very good.
Okay, great. Thank you.